embracing the journey while we wait for our destination to open up.
Found a beautiful park.
Best husband alert. I think he loves his wife. Just checked into our Airbnb. Super cute.
We're gonna go eat some fancy French food. Okay, she's right. She got wine too.
Crazy cat.
We made it to the fancy bar. There we are for the birthday dinner. They got ping pong. There's a secret room. Let's check it out. Coming out the closet, everybody.
Cheers.
Finally, we checked out of our place, hoping to get early check-in at our Airbnb, but they said 3 o'clock. So we're gonna go hang out, hop on the metro, and go to a park, try to find some sun and stay warm for a couple hours. Should be a nice walk though.
Once we get to our place, find the park and sit in the sun because it's actually a beautiful day and the sun is going to help make the cold not so bad. I really appreciate when Airbnbs do let you check in early. Hopefully this guy will send us a nice message and say, hey, yeah, by the way, come on in. But otherwise we're gonna have to wait for a couple hours. So it's okay. This is the journey, embracing the journey while we wait for our destination to open up.
Just got off the metro. Found a beautiful park, and we are gonna wait here for our Airbnb right down there. That's our Airbnb area. Man, the sun makes such a difference. It's so nice and wonderfully warm. I got a French salad for my wife. It was on discount. I'm pretty proud of it. 30% off. I got her a French chef salad. I don't know if they call it that, but that's what I'm calling it. Take a look. Looks pretty good. Pretty healthy. One piece of advice, if you're in France, you better be eating healthy because you're gonna eat a lot of bread, a lot of meat, drink a lot of wine. So eat them healthy lunches. Skip them breakfasts. Watch out for the crusty, delicious, sweet goods.
Best husband alert, best husband alert. Bringing over sparkle and a bottle of wine. I think he loves his wife.
It's true.
Thank you, I love you. Welcome, guys. So we just checked into our Airbnb. We're gonna be staying here for just about a week. Let me give you a little quick tour. Come on in, it's super cute. It is pretty small, it's a studio, but it's actually designed perfect for just exactly what we need. First, when you walk in, you've obviously got a nice table. This is where we'll be doing lots of work right here. Also eating and drinking and doing all of the fun things that we love to do. And then we've got lots of natural light, which is super nice. The view is actually beautiful, like perfect quiet little neighborhood here in Paris. And then you've got this beautiful mirror, love this. And then come on over here to the kitchen. Welcome to our kitchen. This kitchen is fully stocked with all the great things. We've got all of the different pots, pans, cutlery, dishware. Big thing we definitely need in France. It comes with a wine opener. So happy that it has it. Here we've got everything we need to be able to cook a nice little meal right here in our studio. And we've got an induction stove right here. Got a nice little sink. We've got a fridge, which is actually a pretty big fridge. It's got just enough space for us being here for the week. And then we've got all of the classic necessities in terms of coffee, salt, pepper. We even got a beer, which is nice. We got olive oil, we got a kettle, microwave, got it all. Literally, you can cook anything you need in this kitchen with all the things that are here. So super grateful that it's all stocked and ready for us to be able to enjoy and call this little home. Right as you walk in, you obviously see this beautiful blue and gold couch. This actually is a futon. So we can pull this out and it becomes a really perfect double bed just for us. And then we can push it back up and it becomes just a nice little living room. It's actually really quite convenient. One thing I really like also over here, this is the heater. Really appreciate the Christmas tree. Makes me feel like it's still the holidays. And just a nice little cozy nook over there too. This place also comes with lots of storage space. So in addition to the storage unit out there where we can put our suitcases and luggage, we've also got a nice organized closet. Perfect for the minimal clothes that we have here as well. Gotta do a bathroom check. It's the tiniest bathroom ever, but it's actually really cute. I really appreciate a well-designed tiny little nook of a bathroom. So this bathroom, the shower is actually really beautiful. I love the details in the tile. It's got a huge shower head for the tiny little shower that it is. I feel like you're just gonna be in this little shower unit with just like a waterfall coming down on your head, which sounds really nice actually, especially if it's warm. Got a really cute little sink area with a nice backsplash, a couple of drawers, towels, and I think we've got a little bit more storage over here. Yeah. Oh, it comes with a hair dryer. That's nice. Hair dryer, toilet paper. We've got an iron in case we need to iron any shirts or dresses. It comes with shampoo, conditioner, all of the good stuff. So I really appreciate that big time. You might be wondering, in this tiny little bathroom, where is the toilet? That is a very good question. The toilet is obviously not in here. The toilet is actually separated from the shower and the bathroom entirely. So come on out here. The toilet is right here. Boom, dia. a nice simple toilet to do your thing. And by the way, it's not shared. This is all still us. It's just the toilet just so happens to be separated from the studio. All right, so that's a quick tour of our tiny little studio here in Paris for the next week. This for 7 days cost us about $580. Not too bad, just the perfect place that we need to be able to be here for 1 week and then on to the next one.
Aloha friends, we are going out to eat dinner in Paris. We got all showered, we're checked in the Airbnb, we're feeling good, we're feeling great. And now we're gonna go eat some fancy French food. We're gonna go celebrate Quinn's birthday with my parents, so this will be a fun one. We'll bring you along and show you what we eat and how great it is. Better be freaking good, it's my wife's birthday. Keys, lights, we got the birthday wine. We are ready to go. Waiting for my wife. Day in the life of Jonathan Button the First. Okay, she's ready. She got wine too. All right, I don't think I mentioned this yet, but if you've never been to Paris, you need to take the metro. It's the best way to get around all around the whole entire city. It is €2.50 for one way. We use it for everything and we will continue to do so.
I love the metro. The Paris metro is super clean. It is really safe, it's really affordable, and you can get everywhere around Paris. Like, no joke, everywhere you want to go, the metro will probably get you there faster than a cab. Here it is. Crazy cat.
We made it to the fancy bar. It's a nice place. Peaceful, calm, fancy pantsy.
The bar is beautiful. I mean, it is such a vibe in here. The music, the ambiance, the lighting, it's like super relaxing and nice. The bar itself is just stocked with all the best whiskeys, all the best wines, everything that you could ever possibly want. The art in here is out of this world. It is beautiful. It's really something special and beautiful in here. You definitely get that luxury vibe right off the bat.
In an Uber, heading to dinner. We made it to the birthday dinner. Here we are for the birthday dinner. Look how cool this place is. They got ping pong. Happy birthday to you.
Cheers.
In this restaurant, there's a secret room. Let's check it out. How cool is this? It's like a private game room. It's in a closet. Very cool. This is awesome. Coming out the closet, everybody.